Every single day, an invisible force moves trillions of dollars across the world. It flows silently through hidden networks, a digital circulatory system powering global commerce, yet few of us ever see it. This isn't the money in your wallet or your banking app. This is the bedrock of modern finance, a system operating on a scale that is difficult to comprehend. These are the invisible arteries of the global economy, and their story begins with a simple message. At the heart of this international financial web is a system known as SWIFT. When you picture money moving between countries, you might imagine digital cash instantly zipping from a bank in Tokyo to one in New York. The reality is more subtle. SWIFT, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, doesn't actually transfer any funds. Instead, it operates like a hyper-secure, high-speed postal service exclusively for financial institutions. It sends standardized messages, payment orders, confirmations, and statements between more than 11,000 banks worldwide. A SWIFT message is a guarantee, a trusted instruction telling a correspondent bank to move money from one account to another. It's the universal language of global banking, ensuring that a request sent from a small bank in Brazil is understood perfectly by a financial giant in Germany. While SWIFT orchestrates the global conversation, the heavy lifting of moving US dollars, the world's primary reserve currency, happens through two American powerhouses, Fedwire and CHIPS. Fedwire, operated by the Federal Reserve, is the financial system's express lane. It is a real-time gross settlement system, meaning every transaction is processed individually and settled instantly with finality. Think of it as the ultimate tool for high-value, time-sensitive payments. When massive corporate mergers happen or critical government payments are made, they travel on Fedwire's secure, direct rails, ensuring the funds are irrevocably transferred in a matter of seconds. If Fedwire is the express lane for individual payments, CHIPS, the clearinghouse interbank payments system, is the superhighway built for volume. Operated by a consortium of the largest banks, CHIPS is a netting system. Throughout the day, it accumulates hundreds of thousands of payment instructions between its member banks, bundling them together. At the end of the day, it calculates the net amount each bank owes or is owed by all the others. Instead of settling 500,000 individual transactions, the system settles only a few thousand net positions. This incredible efficiency allows CHIPS to handle over 95% of all large-value US dollar transfers, processing staggering sums that often exceed $1.5 trillion daily. It is the workhorse of the American banking system, clearing the vast majority of international dollar transactions. These systems work together in a seamless global chain reaction. Imagine a European company needs to pay a supplier in the United States. Its bank in Paris sends a SWIFT message to its correspondent bank in New York. Upon receiving this secure instruction, the New York bank initiates a domestic transfer. If the payment is urgent and high value, it might be sent instantly via Fedwire. If it's part of the day's routine flow of commerce, it will likely be bundled with thousands of other payments and settled through CHIPS. The initial SWIFT message acts as the trigger, setting off a domino effect that ripples through the domestic payment systems, ensuring the money arrives precisely where it needs to be. From the coffee you drink imported from Colombia to the smartphone in your pocket assembled with parts from a dozen nations, these invisible networks make it all possible. SWIFT, Fedwire, and CHIPS are the silent, powerful engines running in the background of our lives. They are the fundamental architecture of global trade, the unseen foundation upon which the entire modern financial world is built. They are the true arteries of the global economy, and they never, ever stop flowing.